Did you know that chia seeds, tiny as they might be, are among the healthiest foods on the planet? Packed with nutrients that are beneficial for both your body and brain, these little powerhouses have been a staple in Mayan and Aztec diets for centuries. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. They're also rich in antioxidants, fiber, iron, and calcium. A single ounce of chia seeds contains a whopping 11 grams of fiber. That's more fiber than you would get from a bowl of oatmeal, a slice of whole grain bread, or even a banana. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine a plate with a salmon steak. This is often considered a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, right? Well, gram for gram, chia seeds contain more of these beneficial fats than salmon. On that same plate, place a glass of milk, a symbol of calcium. Again, chia seeds win, offering more calcium per gram than milk. The nutritional value of chia seeds doesn't stop there. They also contain a healthy serving of protein, making them a fantastic choice for vegetarians and vegans. In fact, they offer more protein than some nuts and grains like rice and corn. With all these health benefits, it's worth finding ways to incorporate chia seeds into your daily meals. Consider sprinkling them on your yogurt or oatmeal in the morning. You could also add them to your smoothies or use them as a topping for your salads. Another great way to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia pudding. Simply soak the seeds in milk or a dairy-free alternative overnight and voila! You have a delicious and nutritious breakfast waiting for you in the morning. You can even use chia seeds as an egg substitute in your baking. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for a few minutes and you have a chia egg ready to be used in your favorite recipes. In conclusion, don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are a nutritional win for your health that can easily be added to your diet. So go ahead, give them a try. Your body and brain will thank you. Like and subscribe for more nutritional news.